Hey Charles,
Sir? I'm not going to set that up by the house.
just a one word of caution.
Yes?
Drunks and gunpowder don't mix too well.
Charles,
I'm not drunk.
Charles, move it farther from the house. That's what I was going to
I'm going to stand here and hold it in my teeth, sir.
Sorry. Yeah.
Sorry.
Where's the other small size?
Sarah,
I'm gonna
Sarah,
hold you. Come here.
leave. You didn't get your dad and your grandpa.
My baby girl.
Oh, that was so funny. Did you see them? Hold on, let's do it after this.
My heart beating.
Sarah, your dad and Uncle Frank, they went up there to put the birds, and they came down holding hands going.
Close your ears.
Yes, they did.
Both of them did. Yeah, we did.
Oh, are you still here? I thought you left. I thought you left, Aaron.
Yeah, who locked the door last night, by the way?
You better light that quick before all that water gets.
You did it.
She never unlocked it.
No, look. The thing was, it was unlocked, okay? But the thing is switched, so I thought it was locked. Wait, locked.
Never mind.
Run, run, run!
Unlocked it.